Okay, yeah. Tell me what you were saying.
I'm gonna hit continue. Okay.
Yep, sure.
Okay.
Please hit continue. Yep, go
I
ahead.
just did. Yeah, I just wanted to say, I wanted to thank you so much for those bonuses, especially the one with the Skype calls, because that's unprecedented. And, you know, to get, even though I bought the whole package, it's great. But the amount of money that all the OTOs and the front end compared to the services you're offering is just hands down, it's off the chart. So I wanted to thank you in advance for that, because it doesn't happen. I can't remember any marketers offering such a lucrative bonus for a product that's under 250 or whatever it was, you know, so that's just amazing to me. So thank you for that. And I'm so looking forward to working with you. And I did also see a lot of your prior clients, some of the comments, and, you know, you can't make that stuff up. It's actual documented testimonials. So, you know, I know I'm in the right spot. So I want to learn from someone that's been there and done that. And, you know, all I could say is thrilled to be here, and I look forward to future correspondences.
That's fantastic to hear. You know, when we give true value and when we receive these testimonials, that's our real, you know, that's what gives me more energy to give more. You know, you can't get enough if you don't give enough.
Right.
And what my specialization is more about one-on-one mentorship, and I have done over 4,000 one-on-one calls in the last 6 years. So
That's
I've
amazing.
become so good in these one-on-one coaching calls that I prefer to take people one-on-one. So let's say if we are working one-on-one, there's no way you can fail. And you can definitely understand, like, if you are going to even offline coaching classes for anything, right, where 50 students are sitting, right, and let's say if, versus if a coach is coming to your home and teaching you this stuff, right, you can't run away from the work, right? So that's number one, and
Yes.
that's why my students see that's those success stories, because I personally, you know, take them by the hand, right? Not just theory, but I create the campaigns for them.
Right.
I teach them by doing the stuff on their screen. So it becomes super easy for them to get results. Now, once they start 1, 2, 3, 4 sales in the beginning, right? That
Yeah.
motivates them, and then they say, okay, I'm willing to put action into it. I'm willing to put my effort into it now. But if someone is not getting results, he won't put himself 100%, you know. So so that's why, and thank you for giving me this amazing testimonial.
Sure. You're
um
welcome. No
yeah.
problem.